One of the most useful tools that Windows offers is the snipping tool. This app allows you to capture any part of your screen and save them as images or copy them to the clipboard. You can also use this app to record your screen. You can annotate your screenshots with pens and highlighters and erasers. The snipping tool is available on Windows 10 and Windows 11, and you can start it in many different ways. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 ways you can start or open the snipping tool on your laptop. Now, to open the snipping tool with a keyboard shortcut, press the Windows plus Shift plus S keys simultaneously, and then you see your screen darkens. You can also click on the arrow on the top of the screen and select the mode you want, and then take your snip. After taking your snip, you can decide to edit the snip, or you can save the snip or share it. On Windows 11, one of the fastest way is to type snipping in the search bar, and then when the results come out, click enter. Then you can go ahead and take your snip or record your screen. Also notice that on the right side of the search result, you have options for taking your screenshots immediately, opening the tool, or delaying your screenshots. Another quick method of opening the snipping tool is to go to the taskbar and click on the Start menu. Then tap on All Apps. Then scroll down until you see the apps that start with letter S. Then you can click on the snipping tool. Or better still, in the search bar at the top, type S to take you quickly to snipping tool or apps that start with S. Then you can launch the snipping tool already. I think this is quicker. Another method is to use the run window. Launch the run window by clicking Windows plus R simultaneously, and then type the snipping tool.exe in the open field. Make sure there is no spacing, and then click OK or press Enter on your keyboard. If you are using the snipping tool regularly, you can pin the shortcut to your taskbar or to your Start menu. And to do this, open the Start menu and then locate the snipping tool shortcut. Then, once you locate the shortcut, right-click on it or press and hold it. Then in the context menu, go to Pin to Start or Pin to Taskbar. Now, when you pin to the taskbar, it appears below on the taskbar. When you click Pin to Start, it will be saved with other apps that have been pinned in the Start menu. So if you click on the Start menu, you would already see at the top pinned. Just scroll down to see the snipping tool that you have just pinned. Now to create a shortcut, on the empty space on your desktop, right-click and then press New, and then press Shortcuts. Make sure to enter the snipping tool.exe as the shortcuts location, and then follow the instruction of the Create Shortcut wizard to complete the process. Now the shortcut is saved on the desktop, you can easily click on it to launch the snipping tool at any time. If you like working with Windows Terminal, Command Prompt, or PowerShell, you can use them to open the snipping tool. Now, launch the command prompt and then type the command snipping tool to launch the tool. You can also do the same with the PowerShell. Which is your preferred method for starting the snipping tool? As you know by now, the snipping tool is a handy and easy tool to use for capturing screenshots on Windows 10 and Windows 11. You can even use it to record your screen. Watch the video on your screen to learn how to screenshot and screen record with the snipping tool. Now you know all the different ways you can start or open the snipping tools on your PC. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.